Okay, so little change of plans. The phone's battery filled up, so I put on a SD card. So continuing from the other time, Jim Thorpe figurine, Justin Kidd and Ben Wallace. And we have a NASCAR car, it's all sealed up. Have another car. Althorpe, Burton, or die card with a little information pack attached to it. And there's this tiny little Brian Vickers car. And this one. So we've also got one Avengers 1991 comic book, 50th anniversary. We have 1, 2, 3 Project 2020s. Oh, I have to go this way. Mark McGuire. And we have Roberto Clement. We have Hitman. We also have a little box here. So it's 1990 picture card set. I'll just pull out one to show you. So you got ones like this way. Jim Presley. It's like the whole set, pretty much. There's all the Braves, Red Sox, so pretty much Braves and Red Sox there. So little change in movement. So we've got these boxes. I just realised this one is sellotape, so I've got my crafty knife. Oh, we have got picking peanuts. It's got Tinny Winnie and another one, baseball one. I'll have a look at those later. We've got 1, 2 stands, and we've got lots of packing peanuts, which I'll put these in without packing peanuts because I hate packing peanuts. So we got 88 baseball, 89 baseball, 89 baseball. Oh, it's still got chewing gum too. Don't want to try that. Well, I might. I'll do one packet probably tomorrow. So 1, 2, 5 for those ones. A 1991 no chewing gum. Yeah. You got this one, 91 with chewing gum. Yuck. This one here. What year is it? 1990. And then we have an old school one. Okay, move those out the way. Okay, next box. Absolute no packing peanuts, thank God. I'll take these cards out. We'll do the packets first. Okay, so we got packet of number 2, 91. '91 Stadium Club Baseball. Yeah, something different. Pro Soccer League 1993 for States. Be good to see what's in there. And we got another one of those. This is a pack of Sports Call limited edition cards. We have got baseball. There's 2 things in this pack, so I'm not too sure what the second one is. I'll open it. Sorry for the blurriness. Oh, there you go. Second one. Harry and the Hendersons. Which also has chewing gum. Ugh. Chewing gum with cards. So we have NASCAR. Then we have a University of Texas Upper Deck 1. We have a Star Trek. Another soccer one for the States. We have, bang, these are these huge bloody cards, 12 cards per pack sort of thing. 93. And then last one of baseball. So also in this container there are cards like this one. So I'll just show you some of them. Lamar Jackson. We have Nick Bosa. There's a Juan Soto in there. Ooh, I wonder if that Juan Soto is the one that got signed. Let's have a look. Look at the back. Nope. Okay, the next one. Move one of the women's packs for basketball. We have auto here for Carl Henderson. We have a Miami. This card's actually pretty heavy and pretty thick. Some Mets cards. Chris. Some cards. Next we're going into one of the many little repacked bags. Okay. Not cards, but a good brand. Also not cards. This is my self-help stuff. Okay. Next one. Now I cut these slightly. It looks like I might have to do them again. Oops, that went fine. Okay, swap hands. I'm right-handed if people don't realise. Nope, that didn't work. Okay. There we go. At least now you can see me getting into it. Pause for a sec. Okay, I got them out. So these are all my graded stuff. So we have Sean Green. Never heard of Sports Collectors Direct. So if anyone's heard of them, let me know. Oh, this one on the back ain't graded. So rookie. But it has a graded card in it. So I'll have a look at the other ones later. Yeah. So this is a Leaf product. Then we have one of the cards that was in there with it, Reggie Jackson. We got Crytask, Brady, Judge, and we have old school one, and this one I think's it's even got your ticket or something. Boston versus Brooklyn. Okay. Vikings numbered. We got this one. And rookie. We have a Derek Jeter. Mint. Ooh, this is the card I've been waiting for. So it's a Trae Young. Center stage. Check out that mint. Oh, I've only just got my finger over there. So that's pretty cool. I've been waiting ages for that one to come in. And then I've also got this one. Giannis. Mint 10. GMA. Mintaz. So one of my contacts in the States sent me M&M Mint right in time for Christmas. Then we got Skittles Wild Berry resealable one. Look at that, 442 grams worth. So they were in that one. And then with this one, we have some packs of cards. We have a Heritage. We have football. We have another heritage. We have a retail pack of a heritage. We have another retail pack. Another retail pack, which I must say only cost me $3 US, considering what they're worth here. So then we got 2020 Upper Deck, Young Guns, NHL. Another one. Tops. Exclusive Cody Bellinger highlights card inside. I know who I might give that one to if I get it. Gypsy Queen. Gypsy Queen. Gypsy Queen. And NFL pack. So I will do these ones here on a different video.